what is while loop? So now our topic is while loop. So in our previous video we were discussing the for loop. So there are some other kinds of loop as well. So this one is while loop. So in this condition, the general syntax for the while loop is, see, there is a condition. We are initializing the I, then there is a condition, I is less than 5, then inside the code we are doing right lining on the console, and then there is an increment here. Okay, so what is happening over here? So first we will go to the description. While loop. So we use while loop till the condition is true. So this will run till the condition is true. When the condition is not true, this will over. So this is how the code works in Python. So these are the steps how it works. Firstly, we initialize a variable, that is I equal to 1, 0. Then we check the condition, I is less than 5. So when in the first turn I is 0 and I is less than 5, 0 is less than 5, so this will run. Then what is inside the loop, it would be executed. So the first statement is printing the I. So the I would be printed, and then there is another thing, there would be an increment operator, I plus plus. Then this increment operator will execute, so the value of I will become 1, and these statements will run till the condition is false. So what this loop will do, every time it increase and print the I, then increase, print the I, then increase, till the condition is false. So we start with 0, it will run till the 4, and after the value becomes 5, it will terminate the loop. This is how while loop works. So these are the simple use cases for while loop. You can use while loops when you don't know the number of iterations that they are going to execute. Another thing is, you can also use while loop and take the input within the loop from the user and put a certain value that if user input this value, execute the loop. So this way you can also use while loop. And third one is, so you want to be execute while condition based processing. We will discuss this point in the next video. So there is another example of while loop. So this loop, what this will do, so this will run until a number. So first we break down the statements. Initially we are getting sum equal to 0, then we are taking a num input, and then we are checking condition is num is not equal to 0. This will execute until user don't enter 0, and then what it will do, it will add the num into the sum variable. So every time user input a number, the sum would be incremented, added into the value until unless 0 is not added by the user, input by the user. In the last, the total sum would be printed on the screen. Be cautious for the infinite loop. So if you put a condition that won't be false in any case, then this would execute infinitely, and then this would be an infinite loop, and there we break the while loop. So make sure you put a condition that is not always true. So next is for loop versus while loop. We will continue this in our next video. Thanks.